I've been sitting here for 4 hours. I just want my package. Is that it? Oh my gosh. Please come this way. Please come this way. Please, 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 please. No! Wipe off everything. She's not playing. Wipe off everything. Oh gosh, and then your hands and then you go to... Ladies, gentlemen, non-binary individuals, we are gathered here today to celebrate my package. You guys don't understand how hard it was for me to order this off Amazon with the coronavirus going around. Everything on Amazon said either out of stock or expected delivery in May, like around May 11th and May 20th. I don't got that type of patience. Should I start on the camera first? No. I'm gonna do the... No. When I bought the camera, I bought a bundle. Saved a lot of money. So, it can't... like, it's a lot of stuff here. We'll do the accessories first. It comes with this bag. This tripod, which I really needed because mine... Yeah. Oh, 2 64GB memory cards, USB, more cleaning stuff. Oh, mini tripod or just a cleaning kit. Oh, it's both. Okay. This one right here. And now for the moment y'all have been waiting for. The actual camera. Woo! You guys, okay. Jesus. Paper. You got the straps. Oh my gosh. This is too pretty. The flip screen. Ah! Oof, 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 oof. Look at that. That's so nice. And it fits so well in my hand. Wait, I didn't put the lens on yet, so I can't say. How do I do this? I don't want to break it. Wait. Shapes, okay. Oh. Locked and loaded. I think this is the wrong one. I'm tripping. I'm not tripping. This is the wrong one. I gotta get used to putting these on because I'm not trying to break anything before I actually use it. And record like so. Okay. This is a really nice setup, to be honest. I'm gonna go charge the battery and then come back and see what it actually looks like. So I'll be back. Okay, a couple hours later, and this is what it looks like. That's tough. The tracking on this is impeccable. Is it fully charged? Yeah. Yo, I can't stop looking at myself. Come on. It's so weird. I'm recording and I can see myself for once. I'm recording myself like this and it's not bad. It's just not good either. For sure, I know this is way too HD for my liking. I'm sorry. My acne is just all up in the open. Like, damn. But hey, it's better quality. It's fucking... That issue I had with the SD card. With the package, it came with this, right? This is what it came with. My mom, thank her, because without her, I would not.
That you want.
Basically, she had an SD card adapter, and that's the only way I was able to really like put the stuff inside the camera. That's the only way I was able to make the camera work because it's not the right one. You know what I should do? I should FaceTime somebody. Who should I call?
Yes?
Guess what? Look!
Oh, your camera! Yeah, but should I have a better reaction then?
Yeah, say hi.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh my god!
You're gonna be featured again.
Okay, I guess so. Well, good thing you got your camera. You become the next YouTube star.
Period. Let me see if I can call my best friend.
Let me see. Do it again, do it again. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Hey, are you gonna paint it?
Am I gonna paint it? No.
Yeah. A lot of people paint their own computers. I mean, cameras. Just, you could paint it and not mess it up.
Well,
It makes it your own.
not right now. Not right now. Not the first year. Not the first year.
Yeah, you're right, you're right.
This is the end of the video. If you like this video, show some love and hit that like button and subscribe for more content on my new camera. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. It is what it is. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Period.